Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to delete emails in Gmail in 2026. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Gmail account. To delete one email, open the message or select it from your inbox. Click the trash icon at the top. The email will be moved to the trash folder. To delete multiple emails, check the boxes next to the messages you want to remove. Then, click the trash icon at the top. All selected emails will be deleted at the same time. Deleted emails stay in the trash for 30 days. To permanently delete them, click Trash on the left, then select Empty Trash now. Once emails are permanently deleted from trash, they can't be recovered. And that's it. You now know how to delete emails in Gmail using the 2026 method. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel.